This is Poseidon at Europa Park, and I can tell you right away that I'm not excited whatsoever for this. Oi. No, don't do it. But so pretty though.
Don't do it.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I think we're good. Very nice theming here. Wow. Pretty. Oh, that's a creepy guy. Look at his eyes. I'm gonna be excited for sections of this ride and then not all sections. Like the last one, for example.
Drops.
Pegasus is a roller coaster that is next to us.
Oh, there.
Okay, never seen that before. It was cute. Look at that. Okay, here comes a real drop. Here we go. That was a shaky one. We have another big one. Oh my god, that's a lot of water. And the thing is, I think that's the only. Oh, that's only the first drop in the water. No.
Oh, great.
Great? Really?
Great.
No. Oh.
So great in a warm day like this.
Oh yeah, okay. It is 33 degrees, but I'm not warm right now. That should have been enough though, one drop.
No.
Yeah.
Always do two. Because you have time to regret that you do this.
I have to tell you that it looks very nice when the boats come in and it splashes down. It looks cool.
That must be the highest drop. So it will be easy peasy now.
The Pegasus? Or
So,
the coaster you mean? Or? Oh,
that was the...
there, wow.
This one is forward.
The view of Silverstar here is cool. Why didn't we go on that one instead of this one? It's less watery.
Okay, here we go.
Get ready guys, here we go.
Yes.
This is going to be completely awful. Here we go. Whoa! I have to tell you, the drop is fantastic. I'm so wet. The amount of water is not fantastic, but the drop was great. Vad skrattar du åt? What are you laughing at, Sarah?
Oh, it's so fun. You always get it.
It's always me